Now, before we move on, we will also understand what productivity is not. Okay. So, again, don't make the mistake of being busy with being productive, because productivity is all about making the most of your time, creating lasting habits of achievement and fulfillment, and being able to work smarter, not harder. If that was a bulb on moment for you, write bulb on in the chat box, because we will learn how do we work smarter. We don't have to be like a donkey working all day long and still not able to do the most important things that are on our list. We want to be very calculated about our task. We want to prioritize them, and then assign them into specific time chunks. We will learn those as exact strategies also, but here the key is productivity is all about working smarter, not harder. It is not about being overwhelmed with your day to day work. Okay. And getting a hold of your time. Now, what does productivity mean to you? Okay, this is a very important question. What does productivity mean to you? Generally, to me, it means having more free time so that I can enjoy the goals or the things that I like. For example, if you have done a particular set of tasks that you had assigned yourself, now when you have done them on time, now you have the luxury of reading your favorite book, learning a skill, or do whatever you feel like with your time, right? uh, you will see with your as your productivity increases, you will see a decrease in your stressors. Okay. But here, the main or the most important point is, if you're just being like a robot who's just checking off his checklist every day without passion, then productivity would be a big hindrance. So we want to really go deeper into what can make us the most productive every single day. And what is the most important thing here to be productive? It is to stay passionate. Because if you have passion for your bigger goals and those goals that you're achieving, you align those smaller tasks of your day to day life with those bigger goals, and you have an emotional connection with those goals, then it's much more easier. For example, like I'm recording this video. Now, this is my goal card, which I read before recording this video. And now this is that thing that sparked that passion within me, that okay, I have to do this because this is my bigger goal, because of which I'm recording. When you align your smaller task with the bigger goals you have in life, your productivity just doesn't become a to-do list that you have to check off. You give an emotional meaning to it. And when you give emotional meaning to things or goals in life, they become so much more easier to do, because now you feel that goal is a living breathing thing. It is the most important thing in your life. It's your goal. Once you have that connection, that's where the magic lies, and that's where you start doing things much more efficiently and effectively.